So today we are going to talk about nitric oxide dump. It's not nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is a laughing gas, but this is nitric oxide. So the nitric oxide dump or nitric oxide release is basically equivalent to doing a half an hour gym workout. This will regulate your muscles on the upper half of the body and both lower half of the body because it involves squatting, it involves the movement of the hands and everything. So that's enough said. If for more details and medical terms and stuff, what is this all about? You can see Dr. Nichols' video on nitric oxide release or nitric oxide dump. Let's get started. I'll just show you first. And typically this needs to be done in a set of 10 into 3. I mean, you do each exercise, you do 10 of those and you do 3 repetitions. So it goes something like this. First, you go down in a squat position. You need not necessarily do it with the weights. You can basically start off without the weights, right? You can do this, right? And while you go down, you breathe out. You see, you can hear me breathing out. So first step is this. You do 10 of these, then you do this, 10 of these. Each count with one hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you're done this with the 10 with this, then you go around the world. 1, 2. Remember one thing. You arch your back. Don't do this. You arch your back so that you work out these muscles. Let me show you what exactly I mean by arching the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep breathing all the time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Never breathe from your mouth. Don't do that. Always breathe from your nose only. Okay? And once you're done with this, be at right angles. Don't do this. Be at right angle and then try to pump in the air like how you do bench presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This becomes one set. 10 sit downs, 10 these arm movements, 10 going around the world, and 10 shoulder pumping. This will become if you do such 10, that will become 1 rep. You do such 3. To start off with, you need not use weights. Ideally, you should have 1 kg dumbbells. But if you don't have dumbbells at home, which is absolutely fine, you can pick up 1 liter Bisleri water bottle, or any water bottle for that matter. You need not be in Bisleri. You start off with a water bottle, right? So you can basically go like this one. And then just see the posture that I'm trying to keep it, right? So my shoulders are at back. I'm just trying to be like this, right? And try to be in this position. Don't try to be in a hurry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you're doing this, never open your mouth. You should always breathe out and go down, something like this. But this exercise, remember this, right? The exercise needs to be done 1 hour 45 minutes. That's quarter to paune 2 tas. After the meals. After the meals in the sense, not after finishing the meal, after starting the meal. Like say you start your breakfast at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is when you actually put madle tuttu bag haktirla. 8 o'clock. The first grub that you take. From there you need to calculate the time. So if you're eating breakfast, you started eating breakfast at 8, you do it at 9:45. 1 hour 45 minutes after you're starting the meal. Any meal for that matter. You can start off with 3 meals a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. And after this, and this will also help you reduce your blood pressure as well, right? You can go take a look at the medical terms and how it helps and all that in Dr. Nichols' video But this basically, you have the blood veins or the artery, right? In the artery, there is a nitric oxide that has been formed, and this set of exercises will help you release that. That will easen out the blood flow to the heart, to the heart, and from the heart to the body, rest of the body. That will automatically ease out your arteries by reducing your blood pressure. Thank you so much.